Hey guys, what is up? Today we're doing fidget toy review. Alrighty. So today we're doing some fidget toy review. And here's how it'll work. We will categorize. Give me a second. So we'll categorize by a couple different ways. By durability, quality, fun, and overall. Okay, so let's get started. We're gonna start with the one that started it all, the fidget cube. This was like the original, okay? So fidget cube. Quality, I'm gonna give it a 10 because it's good quality. If you get it from the right place. Me, I got it from fidgetcube.com. Good place. It's good and it's really fun because like there's something for everyone. And like me and my friends will find new things like this. It's a car. It can drift. So how fun it is, it's definitely. Which overall gives it a 20. Now we'll do 12-sided fidget cube. Quality, I'll give it a 9. I have one, but my friend was really being rough with it. So I'll give it a 9. How fun it is, again, a 9. Which gives it an 18 overall, but it's good. I like it. Now the fidget spinner. This one's a really good quality, and it'll last a while if you treat it right. We treat it right, so it's a 10. How fun it is! It's like it is a 10, which gives us another 20. Now, if you're looking to buy one of these 3, which I'm going to get more, I'm going to do better ones, and it'll be really great. But till then, if you're looking to get one of them, you're going out of your top 3. This one, it's good. It's just not the best. Let's say for school, it's not the best because it's big, it's bulgy. But at home, it's good. So this is the best one for home because it's got something for your whole family. It's got this. Seriously, I can't do that all day. But for school, this one, it's small, but it's good because you can just sit here, just do this all day long. It's good for math because like this one, it's just something to breathe. As for this, they can be loud. They can just be disruptive. Everyone wants to see them. So this is the best for school. But this is the best overall. Just because of its durability, it's common. How common it is. And it's just fun. Ow. Why did I think that was gonna be a good idea? Okay. But so buy one of these, and if all your friends have fidget spinners, start a new trend. What me and my friend did, we got fidget cubes. Start a new trend. Be that one who gets out there and tries something new. Go with the fidget cube. It's the best. But I want to thank you for watching this fidget toy review. This is the second time I've done this. The first time the video didn't upload and it got deleted and it was really bad. But yeah. But so this time Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe if you want. Comment down below if you want to see more toy and these types of things reviews. Remember, have fun. Okay, that's kind of it, but thank you. Don't forget to like it. Bye.